pretty girl? Who's the prettiest girl? Who's a pretty girl? I know it's so hot today, huh? It's just nice to sit in the mud and relax. Yes, it is. You're just a pretty girl. You're just a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Oh, Henrietta, look at that mug. Who gave you that mug? Who gave you that mug, sister? You had those ears, and those eyes, and that nose. That's a pretty girl. I know. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. You're a playful girl. So playful. So good. Henrietta's good with other dogs. Good with females and with males. Hi, pretty girl.